I live in the Poconos. I'm not by the Amish. I live up by where New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania all meet on the Delaware River. It's a beautiful area that I live in. I live on top of not like your mountains, but it's our mountains. It's the Pocono Mountain, and I overlook the Catskill Mountains of New York. Oh, wow. I live where there's black bears, so they're always just kind of hanging around with their babies. It's just, I live rural, but I'm only 72 miles from Manhattan. So that's like a really cool thing. I was born and raised in New Jersey, and I'm trying to curb my Jersey, but I love my coffee and my chocolate.
Yes.
And that may slip out a little bit, but I've been in Pennsylvania for 30 years. I've always, let me just put my glasses down because you don't need glasses to talk. Okay. So I was raised in a European family. I'm a first generation born American. My father is from northern Germany, and my mother is from Venice, Italy. And it was very cool being raised by European parents because you have no relatives in America, or very few, and you have to go to Europe all the time. To go visit your family. Now, as a little child, that was not fun because you would come back to school after summer, vacation, and all the other little kids, when you're called in front to what you did on vacation, they'd be like, they were so cool. They went to camp. They went, down the shore. If you know that means our ocean. We call it down the shore. Not like the Jersey Shore TV show. But it was kind of intimidating. I always didn't want to go up there because when I went up there, this would be me. Hi, I'm Linda, and I went to Europe. And then all the other little kids are like, oh, did you go camping there? Was it far? Did you drive? So I got to appreciate it as I got older. Now, on my mother's side, that's where the sewing came in. My